So this time, let us now solve this problem using definite and indefinite integral. So first, by using indefinite integral, say we have x plus 1 squared dx. So we say that we don't have a direct rule regarding this kind of function, so that we need to simplify this first using algebra. So we have x squared plus 2x plus 1 dx. Once again, do not forget to write your integral sign unless you do the integration. Okay, so let us now integrate this term one by one. We have x squared, then the integral of x squared is just x cubed all over 3 plus 2x, then 1 plus 1 is 2 all over 2 plus the integral of 1 dx is just integral of dx, so we have x, and then our constant of integration c. So simplifying this, we have x cubed all over 3 plus x squared plus 1, I mean plus x plus c. So this is our final answer. And you can also solve this, or you can also integrate this by using the change of variable technique, because if you notice, the derivative of this x is just dx, so we can let u is equal to this whole term x plus 1, and then we get the derivative, so u is the derivative du, then x the derivative is dx, and then 1 is just 0. So we can now substitute values. So we have integral of this whole term here is just equal to u squared, then dx is du. Then we can now proceed to the power formula. So we have u raised to 3 all over 3 plus c. Then we need to bring back the value of u, so we have x plus 1 cube all over 3 plus c. So this is now our final answer using using the change of variable technique. So we have two solutions here. First, we simplify this using algebra, and then the second one, we change variable, so we let u equal to this term, then du and dx, and then substituting values, then we come up with this final answer. So even we have a different solution, our answer must be equal from each other. Okay, so let us check if our answer here is equal to our answer for our second solution. Okay, so let us simplify this. So we have so since we know that x plus 1 squared is this term, So let's use this. X squared plus 2x plus 1. So this is already squared, so we need to multiply x plus 1 one more time here, so that it is equal to x plus 1 cube. Okay, so this is, now we have x cubed plus x squared plus 2x squared plus 2x plus x plus 1. Okay, so we have x cubed plus x squared, 3x squared, so 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, plus 2 plus 1x, then we have also 3x plus 1. So what we have left here is just x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. So this is our x plus 1 cube. But going back to our final answer, it must be all over 3. So we have x cubed over 3 plus 3x squared all over 3 plus 3x all over 3 plus 1 over 3, then our plus c. Okay, then we have x cubed all over 3 plus x squared plus x plus 1/3 plus c. Okay, so let us check now if we come up with this final answer. So we have x cubed over 3, we have x squared, we have x, then we have plus c here, but in here we have 1/3 and plus c. But this 1/3 here is just another constant, so we can just write it as c also. So we can write this as c also. Okay, since 1/3 is a constant. Okay, so our final answer now is same for both solution. Okay, so now if we want to confirm if we can arrive at the same answer, so let us integrate this using definite integral. So what we have done here is what we call indefinite, so let us now do the indefinite integral. Let me take a look at this. Okay, so for the definite integral, so we have again integral of integral of x squared 1 plus x plus 1 squared dx. So for our solution 1, our answer let's say integrate this from 0 to 1. So our lower limit is 1 and 0, and upper limit is 1. So our answer, let's copy our answer. We have x cubed all over 3 plus x squared plus x. So instead of writing plus c, since this is the definite integral, we write the limit from 0 to 1 at the end of this, and then substitute the values of our limits. So we need first to substitute our upper limit to the x. So we have 1 cubed all over 3 plus 1 squared plus 1. So this is our first then for our lower limit, so we have 0 cubed all over 3 plus 0 squared plus 0. So probably this is all equal to 0. So we have what we have here is 1 raised to 3 is just 1, so we have 1/3 plus 1 squared is just 1, so let me write 3 over 3 for us to simply add this later, and then 1 here is also 3 over 3. So we have 3, 6, 7 over 3 as our final answer using definite integral. Okay, so how about when we use this as our final answer by using our second method, which our second solution, which is by using the change of variable. So this is our final answer last time, so let's use this. So we have x plus 1 over 3 cube from 0 to 1. So let's say our limit again is from 0 to 1 to compare it. So this is now our integral. So again, substitute the value of 1 to every x. So we have 1 plus 1 cube all over 3. Then minus, substitute the value of 0 to every x. We have 0 plus 1 all over 3 cube. So what we have here is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 over 3 cube minus 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. I have seen something wrong here. This only numerator is only the one with power of 3. Okay, so here is 0 plus 1 is 1 over 3. Then yan. So 2 cube is 8 over 3 minus 1 cube is just 1 over 3. So we have 8 minus 1 is just 7 over 3. So we come up with the same answer. So I hope you followed the definite and indefinite integral of this given function. So whenever you have a different solution, you must come up with the same answer. So always check your answer either by simplifying 1 or by do the derivative of your final answer, or by having a limit and do the definite integral. So if you come up with the same value, then your answer is correct. Okay, so that's all for today. See you next time.